Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make an anime theme Android phone. Here are the steps to create an anime themed Android phone look. First, unlock your Android phone using your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Open the Google Play Store. Search for an Animate launcher, so I choose Anime Launcher by Next Edu. Install a launcher that supports custom themes. Once done, tap on Open. Here, tap Agree, then tap to choose your theme. Then hit the arrow to the right, tap to choose your model, then hit the right arrow again and the lower center. Then tap on Got It. And we have already been changed the launcher. Next is we're going to change the widget or add more widgets. Now hold the empty space on the home screen for a few seconds. Once the other options appeared, tap on Widgets. Here, touch and drag your preferred widgets to the empty screen. To do this, for example, I'll choose the Anime Launcher battery, the Pac-Man theme, then drag it to the empty screen. Then drop it to save it. Download anime ringtones or notification sounds, for example, from Zedge. So tap on Install. Once done, hit Open. Set your anime ringtone and notification sounds. Once open, go to Ringtone section. Tap on Search bar, then search for anime ringtones. Hit Enter. Tap on Ringtone. Tap on the ringtone you want. Hit Download. Then tap Set Ringtone. Then toggle on Allow Modifying System. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.